Hey guys, what's up? Today, quick, short, to the point video. We're at the flip house. It's coming along. And we're going to put these pulls on these drawers and these doors. I've got these black pulls. Alright, before we get started guys, if you like the video, be sure to hit that like down below, that subscribe. I really appreciate it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the comments. Thank you for everything. So let's go ahead and get into this. And so I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip on how to get the holes perfectly aligned. Now you can go out and make a jig. This is a cabinet pull template. You can make it, yeah, definitely. You can take a piece of wood and do it yourself. I chose not to because I don't have time for that. And I already had this because we do a lot of make readies, and that, you know, you get apartments ready or houses ready for move-ins, and sometimes you have to drill new holes, so we always have one of these on hand. So this is the plastic template guys. You guys can get this at Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that, and they usually have them. These are like 10 bucks. I saw them today for $10.98 or something. So this is for the drawer front pulls, and this is for the doors. All right, and so what you're gonna do, you're gonna find the size of yours, where they align, and sorry, one hand. Then you're gonna find, like on this one, you find the middle, mark it, and where you want your knob. Obviously you want it centered. And then once you have your holes picked out that you're gonna use, then all you need is a drill with I'm using a 3/16 bit right here. And then you'll just use the same holes every time, and it'll give you the perfect holes for your pulls, aligned and level. You can do that on every single one. Place it in the middle. If you have just one right here, if you have two, and just different separations, because you know it measures in millimeters, also measures in inches, depending what you want to use. So this is a 3-inch pull. And yeah, so that's the pull. Then this one is for the doors, and this one you just place like that. And then again, if you're using double, it has the common area. So right here, you usually start right here. Depends on how out you want it. Ours, I'm probably gonna go with the third one. You can also go down, just depending on where you want the placement. So really cool, makes it a lot faster, a lot easier. And like I said, you can make one of these. Maybe later I'll make a video on how, but I really like these plastic ones because they're fast and they're already ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and get these pulls on, and yeah, try to get this house done, man. So close. Start cleaning off windows, finish up some doors in the kitchen. So about 20 minutes, partly because my drill died and I had to go find a battery. But this is an easy facelift that you can do to your cabinets. I think I am going to change the hinges. I'm waiting on hinges, my wife to order some. But this is an easy update you can do to your cabinets that completely transforms them. It's not too expensive and it doesn't take too long. So there you have it. They look great, and I got these off Amazon. So I'll put an affiliate link down below if you guys like them. Check them out. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next week.